Hi, this is Marty Hazel. I hope you're continuing to stay safe and healthy. This week we'll be launching our new PED mentoring program, and I encourage as many of you as possible to participate in this new initiative. First, I want to take a minute and talk to you about the importance of mentoring. While I'm always learning from people I work with, I've had two people in my career that I consider mentors. Longtime former City Councillor Bernie Morelli and the city's former Director of Traffic, Marie Main. I can tell you without a doubt that my success is due, in large part, to their advice, guidance, and sharing of life experiences. Marie and Bernie always supported me and wanted the best for me, and though they're both gone now, I still think about their words of advice every single day in my personal and professional lives. And because they had such an impact on me, I think that's why I find fulfillment in mentoring others today. Now, I'd like you to watch this short HMM Spark video, which really highlights the impact of mentoring. Thank you and enjoy.